Alright, today's video, big tires and a lift kit, how it affects your horsepower and acceleration.
Remember, 55 is 60 with this thing. Alright, here's my Ford Econoline lifted. I dropped it off on Monday and picked it up Tuesday. I left it overnight at Full Tilt Off-Road. They also own Action Van Suspension, and they're the guys who designed the kit for this vehicle. Alright, here's the difference between 285 and 235 tires. These 235s right here were on my van, and I went to 285s. 285s and new rims. The rims are Rebel Racing Saharas. The original rims were 15s, so the tire was 235, 75, 15. These are 285, 75, 16s.
My 0 to 60, and I'll show you all the clips of 0 to 60 comparisons. My 0 to 60 went from like 12 to 13 seconds to like 20 seconds. That's a dramatic difference. 12 is slow, but that's like a normal speed. 20s is dangerously slow, but this thing's a freaking fortress. So, you know, the 0 to 60 and 20 didn't really bother me, but it was the fuel economy. Fuel economy on this stock was 15 to 18 miles per gallon. With the 285 tires, it was 7 to 10. Putting the 245s on here, oh, that's a tiny step bigger than the 235s. I'm back to 10 to 15 miles per gallon, so I got a lot of my fuel economy back. It's not going to be 18, obviously, because it's lifted, and then there's like a roof rack and everything on it. So when I put the bigger tires on there and noticed my acceleration was horrible, the plan was to get 456 gears, Eaton E-Locker. But life happens. That was too expensive for me. So for now, I just dropped down tire sizes. Doesn't look as cool as the 285s, but my acceleration is normal again. Maybe it won't affect modern vehicles as badly as my old 92 Econoline. What's a modern V6 now? Minimum horsepower on a modern V6 in a truck, about 220. Modern V8s are what? At least 280 now, and then we got 9-speed transmissions. I think automatics are at least 5 or 6 now. This is my 92 Econoline 4-speed automatic, 5.0, 180 horsepower, 280 foot-pounds of torque. The engine is from the 80s, carryover from the 80s, so it doesn't have that 90s spike in power when horsepower started to improve. Here's the final video of my van with stock size tires. Finally ordered bigger tires. And to stick to the budget theme of this channel, I went with budget tires. Ironman 285, 75, 16, 7. My van finally has the tires to match the lift kit.